Hi friend, if tomorrow is your first day at a job in Japan, listen. One small mistake can make you look careless, even if you are trying hard. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you the exact do this, don't do this move, so you look calm and professional. And the biggest mistakes happen at the end of the day when you leave. In this video, you'll learn day 1 rules: arrival, greetings, self-intro, desk manners, asking questions, lunch, and leaving. By the end of this video, you will know what to do without guessing. Let's go! Quick note, these tips are basic. Some companies do things differently, so please check your company rules and conduct. And if you are not sure, ask questions before you sign any paperwork. Arrival, entering the office. What to do, what not to do, and why. Do. Arrive at the building 10 to 15 minutes early. Phone on silent. Take a breath before you enter. Why? If you rush in, you look unprepared. Calm looks professional. Don't. Don't walk in while checking your phone. Don't run into the office. Quick tip. Before you enter, phone away, shoulder back, small smile, mini oops story. I've seen new hires do this. They walk in fast, eyes on phone. They're not rude, they are nervous, but it can look too casual. Okay, you made it inside. Now the next 5 seconds decide your first impression, your greeting. Greeting rules. Biggest day 1 win. Morning greeting plus first impression. Do. When you enter the office, say clearly, "Ohayou gozaimasu." Good morning. If it's later, お疲れ様です. Hello, thanks for your hard work. Why? In Japan, greetings show I'm part of the team. If you skip it, people may feel distance. Don't. Don't walk to your desk with no greeting. Don't whisper so soft no one hears. Common situation. Everyone looks busy. You think I should not talk, but you still say it once, calm and clear. Micro tip. Say to the room, not to one person. Not loud, just clear. Good. You greeted the room. Now comes the moment many people feel nervous about: your self-introduction. Self-introduction, short and safe. What to say on day 1? Most companies will ask you to introduce yourself. Do. はじめまして。〇〇と申します。本日からお世話になります。よろしくお願いいたします。Nice to meet you. My name is 〇〇. Thank you for having me. From today, I look forward to working with you. Why? It's humble. It's standard. It's safe. Don't. Don't give a long speech. Don't make a big joke. Don't overshare personal life. Optional. Likeable line? 一生懸命頑張ります. I'll do my best. Quick recap so far. Arrive calm. Greet first. Keep your intro short. Nice. Now they know who you are. Next problem is this. On day 1, you often don't know what to do. So let's fix how to ask questions. Desk manner plus how to ask questions. Don't guess. Confirm. Ask early. Ask soft. Do. Ask small questions early in a soft way. Say, すみません。確認してもよろしいでしょうか? Or, 次に何をすればよいでしょうか? What should I do next? Why? In Japan, confirming is respectful. Guessing can cause mistakes. Don't. Don't stay silent for hours because you are scared. Don't interrupt someone who looks stressed. Don't ask 10 questions in one shot. Easy rule: 1 question at a time. Write note, then try. Mini up story. Some people stay quiet because they want to look independent, but then they do the task wrong. In Japan, it's better to ask small questions early. Great! If you can ask softly, you will be fine. Now let's talk about the 2 places people sleep on day 1, lunch and leaving. Lunch and leaving. lunch do. Follow your team on day one if they invited you. If you want to join, ask. 一緒に行ってもよろしいですか? May I go with you? Why? Lunch is not just food, it's connection. Lunch don't. Don't disappear without telling anyone. Don't complain about food, rules, or silence. Leaving do. This is big one. Remember the big mistake I said at the start? This is it. When you leave, don't sneak out. Say, お先に失礼します. And they often reply, お疲れ様です. Good work today. Why? This is a daily trust ritual. It says I respect the team. Leaving don't. Don't sneak out. Don't say only casual. Bye. Quick recap. Today's day one rules. Arrive early and calm. Greet the room. Keep your intro short. Ask soft questions. Confirm. Don't guess. Lunch. Follow the team vibe. Leaving, say the set phrase. If you want part 2, comment day 1. Next video, week 1 survival, how to give small updates the Japanese way. ほうれん草. And one more reminder, these steps are basic. Some companies are different. So check your company rules and conduct and ask questions before you sign any paperwork. If you like this video, like and subscribe please. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. またね。ありがとう。